Hey everybody, 6 o'clock. Welcome back to Cooking with the Skinny Guinea, where we do quick, healthier meals in 30 minutes or less. I am like super excited about tonight's recipe. So tonight is a DiVincenzo family recipe, and it was made sort of family famous by my father, Tom DiVincenzo Sr. So he is, I gotta give him all the credit. He is like the king of shrimp scampis. Now, okay, so I got 2 pounds of shrimp, 2 sticks of butter, 4 big cloves of garlic, 1 big shallot or 2 small ones, whatever you got, about a half a cup of parsley, and then I got about a cup and a half of breadcrumb. That's it. Let's get to cooking here. I'm gonna put the 2 sticks of butter in a glass bowl, and I'm gonna throw my garlic, my shallot, and my breadcrumb. So what we do now is we got this mixture of butter, shallot, breadcrumb, and garlic. And we just go ahead and mix this all in here. Hold on, everybody say hi to the guinea pig. And look what we're doing tonight. Check this out. This has been a long time coming. A little bit of red wine tonight because this is like a special dish. The DiVincenzo family recipe here, shrimp scampi. So we're doing like a special little thing here. Getting this all mixed up here. How's the wine though? That's most important.
Very good.
How's the wine? Stings the nostrils. All right, so this is nice and mixed up here, okay? So follow me. All right, so I got a little bit of olive oil in the pan now. Okay, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw in my mixture here, and we're gonna heat this through, okay? But we're gonna make sure we don't wanna burn it. You know what I mean? Guys, it smells awesome already. All this butter. Dressed to impress.
Who said that?
I did.
Oh, you talking about me?
Yeah.
Go scratch.
Cooking up this mixture now of butter, shallot, garlic, and breadcrumb. And this is like, guys, this is like a super, super simple dish. This is gonna take like no time at all. I mean, the thing that takes the most time with this dish is me talking, but you gotta deal with that. Okay, so question of the day. When you make your plate, are you one of those people that can like mix everything together? Or do you need to keep things like separate, not touch it? So you don't wanna burn this. Just mix this around a little bit. It's gonna be ready in about 30 seconds to put my shrimp in. I'm gonna come over here. I'm adding my shrimp now. And again, I got 2 pounds. Wait. All right, now I'm seasoning this with salt and pepper. So what you want to do now is you want to get all this flavor and all this breadcrumb and this butter mixture all over everything. And cook this up nice. Now I already cooked my brown rice, so I got that going, all ready to go. Let me get my wine. And I haven't had a full glass of wine in probably a month and a half, maybe 2 months. It's delish. So now it's all about just moving this stuff around here. You guys want to see what it looks like? What I'm going to do now is I'm going to add a little bit of white wine. I don't know, half a cup. If I needed more liquidy, I could add more. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. So like this is it. This is like my work here is done. This is just gotta cook now. This is wonderful. Move it around, mix it around nice. See now I'm putting it over brown rice. So I might, from time to time want to add a little bit more olive oil, a little bit more white wine. just to get it a little bit liquidy. You know, Michelle likes it liquidy. And remember what I'm trying to do here. I'm trying to get 2 thumbs up from the guinea pig. So if this is your first time hopping on, I cook meals. Then Michelle, my wife, the guinea pig. Say hi, babe. She tries the meals and then either gives me 2 thumbs up, 1 thumb down, or 2 thumbs down. 2 like excellent, 1 like needs a little salt, 1 down like you've done better, I know you, 2 thumbs like ugh. So now the thing that you gotta watch now is the breadcrumbs sticking to the bottom, right? So that you just gotta keep in mind. So you wanna keep moving it around a little bit, right? From time to time. Now here's the key though. Here's the key to this whole meal tonight. So I'm looking to get 2 thumbs up from the skinny.
You can't talk today.
I'm looking to get 2. I think I'm drunk already. Hold on. Hold that thought. So I'm looking to get 2 thumbs up from the guinea pig. And she's very particular about her shrimp. She doesn't like it chewy. She likes it a little, a little softer. See, I like my shrimp like a little bit more on the chewy side. I don't know.
It's
just
rubbery.
Rubbery.
Like overcooked, where it's like hard.
It's not hard.
It's hard. Your shrimp are hard when you cook them.
All right, so this is like looking pretty good here. I'm not gonna lie. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little bit more white wine because I'm already drinking. So why not? All right, what I'm gonna do now, because this is almost done, is I'm gonna add a touch of crushed red pepper, just a touch. And I'm gonna add a little bit of parsley. Now this is the dried parsley. If you have fresh parsley, obviously that, will work better. But I don't have fresh parsley. Okay, we are almost done here, guys. You want to take a look? I love shrimp scampi. And this is like a nice family recipe that my father cooks all the time around the holidays, and it's just really nice. You could do this over pasta. You can eat it alone. You can do it over brown rice like what I'm doing tonight. Whatever floats your boat. What floats your boat, babe? What do you like scampi over? Rice or?
Anything. I'll eat it. Anything.
I got this is working out perfect for me because my guinea pig will literally, she is like a garbage disposal. She'll eat anything.
Not mushrooms.
Oh, no mushrooms. Can't throw mushrooms. That's why I love you, babe.
I wish I could say the feeling was mutual.
That's not nice to say, especially when I'm in front of all these people. This dish is done, baby. Done, baby. Done, baby. Dunzo. We're gonna make Michelle's dish right now. Okay, so I got my little bit of brown rice. Just gonna give her a taste. Follow me, guys. You ready?
Yes. Give me a fork.
All right. Let's see what we get here.
Smells good.
Too hot.
Flavorful.
This is going good so far.
The rice, the flavoring is good. I still like my mom's better. I'm gonna give you 1.5.
Oh, are you kidding me? Come on.
It's good, but I like my mom's better.
I'm really. Hold on. What the hell's going on here? So 1.5 thumbs, all right. I'll take 1.5 thumbs, all right. That's not bad. That's pretty good. So that's got to be 2 thumbs up. I mean, she must be drunk or something. But anyway, so that's it, guys. That is like a real quick shrimp scampi dish, okay, that you can put over brown rice. You can put it over pasta. Again, we went a little bit more on the healthier side, so we put it over brown rice. But I mean, that's it. We are done here. Cooking with the Skinny Guinea. Finish it fast, even in the kitchen. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care.